Endangered animals from A to Z.
A.
A for Addax.
Addax are antelopes that live in the Sahara Desert, one of the largest deserts in the world. How their bodies are made helps them live and survive in the harsh desert environment. Addax have broad hooves that help them walk on soft desert sand without thinking. It's like they have their own built-in snowshoes for the desert. In the scorching desert heat, Addax use their noses to cool down. They can get rid of extra body heat through the blood vessels in their noses. Male Addax have long, twisted horns that can reach up to 3 feet in length. Females also have horns, but they are shorter and straighter. Unfortunately, Addax are endangered, meaning there are very few of them left in the wild. E.
B for Bactrian Camel. Bactrian camels have double humps on their backs. These humps are filled with fat and help the camels survive in harsh desert conditions. Bactrian camels drink a lot of water when it's available and store it in their humps for later use. Bactrian camels live in the Central Asian deserts. They have thick fur to protect them from the cold temperatures. Bactrian camels are strong. They have broad, tough feet that help them navigate rocky and uneven desert terrain. Bactrian camels are used for transportation and carrying goods across the desert.
C.
C for Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzees are clever at using tools. They use sticks to take out termites from their mounds or rocks and to crack open nuts. They have problem-solving skills. Chimpanzees live in communities called troops. They communicate with each other using sounds, hand movements, and facial expressions. Chimpanzees are excellent climbers and spend a lot of their time in trees. They use their strong arms and flexible feet to swing from branch to branch. Chimpanzees are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet includes fruits, leaves, insects, and sometimes small mammals. D.
D for Dhole. Dholes live in groups called packs. Dholes have a special whistling call that they use to communicate with each other. It's like having their own secret language. Dholes are skilled hunters and can take down prey much larger than themselves, like deer and wild boars. They use teamwork to outsmart their prey. Dholes have reddish-brown fur with white patches on their chests. Their fur helps them blend into the forest environment as they move through the trees.
E.
E for Echidna.
Echidnas have spiky, pointy spines on their backs. When they feel threatened, they can curl up into a ball to protect themselves, just like a hedgehog. Echidnas are monotremes, which means they are mammals that lay eggs. Echidnas have long, sticky tongues that they use to catch ants and termites. Echidnas are excellent diggers. They use their strong claws to dig into the ground in search of insects. Echidnas have a special snout that helps them locate their prey. They can move their snouts independently, allowing them to search for insects in small spaces. F.
F for Fossa. Fossas are found only on the island of Madagascar. They are the largest carnivores native to the island. Fossas look like cats but are more closely related to mongooses. They have a long, slender body, short legs, and a bushy tail. Fossas are skilled climbers and spend a lot of their time in trees. They use their sharp claws and long tail for balance. Fossas mainly hunt alone. They feed on a variety of prey, including lemurs, small mammals, birds, and insects. Fossas communicate with each other using a special sound called a giggle.
G.
G for Giant Panda.
Giant pandas are famous for their black and white fur, round faces, and big black patches around their eyes. They are often considered one of the most adorable animals in the world. Giant pandas are primarily herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of bamboo. They have a special thumb that helps them grip bamboo stalks. Giant pandas are usually solitary animals. They like to have their own space and mark their territories with scents. Baby pandas are called cubs, and they are incredibly tiny compared to their mothers. Pandas usually give birth to 1 or 2 cubs, and they are born pink and hairless. H.
H for Hyacinth Macaw. Hyacinth macaws are known for their stunning, vibrant blue feathers. They are one of the most beautiful and striking in the bird world. Hyacinth macaws are the largest of all macaw species. These macaws are excellent communicators. They use loud squawks, screams, and even mimic sounds from their environment to express themselves. Hyacinth macaws have strong beaks that they use to crack open nuts, especially the hard nuts of palm trees. They also eat fruits and seeds.
I.
I for Indri.
The Indri is the largest living lemur species. It is known for its remarkable leaping abilities, jumping from tree to tree in the dense forests of Madagascar. Indris have a striking black and white fur pattern, which makes them easily recognizable. They have large round eyes and fluffy ears, adding to their charming appearance. Indris are famous for their distinctive singing. They produce loud, eerie songs that can carry for long distances through the forest. These songs help them communicate and establish their territory. Indris are herbivores, meaning they eat plant-based foods. Their diet mainly consists of leaves, flowers, and fruit. Indris live in small family groups. The family members work together to find food, groom each other, and care for their young. J.
J for Jaguar. Jaguars have a distinctive golden yellow coat covered in black spots and rose-like patterns. This pattern helps them blend into their forest surroundings while hunting. Jaguars are excellent swimmers and are known to enjoy water. They often hunt in rivers and can take down prey such as fish or caimans while swimming. Jaguars have one of the most powerful bites among big cats. They can pierce through the skulls or shells of their prey with their strong jaws and sharp teeth. Jaguars are mostly solitary animals. They prefer to hunt alone and are known for their stealth and ambush techniques when stalking prey. Jaguars are the third largest big cats in the world after tigers and lions. They are powerful and able to climb trees and drag their prey up to avoid scavengers.
The letter K.
K for key deer.
Key deer are the smallest species of deer in North America. They are about the size of a large dog, making them super adorable. Key deer are found only in the Florida Keys, a group of islands off the southern tip of Florida. They are perfectly adapted to the subtropical habitat of these islands. Key deer are good swimmers and are known to swim between islands in search of food. Their ability to swim helps them access different areas and find fresh vegetation. Key deer are herbivores, meaning they eat plants. Their diet includes leaves, flowers, fruits, and even some aquatic plants. The letter L.
L for lesser panda. Lesser pandas are also known as red pandas. They have a reddish-brown fur coat, a bushy tail, and a white face with distinctive markings, making them look like little furry superheroes. Lesser pandas have sharp claws which make them excellent climbers. They spend most of their time in trees. Similar to giant pandas, lesser pandas mainly eat bamboo. However, they also eat fruits, berries, acorns, and sometimes insects. Lesser pandas are crepuscular. This means they are most active during dawn and dusk. During the daytime, they often rest in trees, curled up like a ball.
The letter M.
M for monk seal.
Monk seals are known for their distinct appearance, with a round head and a long snout. They have a short, sleek coat that ranges from light gray to brown. Some monk seals may also have spots. Monk seals are one of the most endangered species of seals in the world. There are only 2 monk seal species still alive: the Hawaiian monk seal and the Mediterranean monk seal. Monk seals are mainly found in warm waters. They often inhabit beaches, rocky shores, and coastal areas where they can rest. Monk seals are great swimmers and can dive very deep underwater to search for food, such as fish and octopuses. The letter N.
N for northern bald ibis. Northern bald ibises have bald reddish faces and throats, long curved beaks, and glossy black feathers. Northern bald ibises are known for their long-distance migrations. They travel between breeding grounds in the spring and summer to warmer areas in Africa during winter. Northern bald ibises are social birds and often travel in flocks. They travel in V-shaped formations during flight, just like geese.
The letter O.
O for orangutan.
Orangutans are great apes, just like gorillas and chimpanzees. Orangutans are known for their long reddish-brown hair. Orangutans spend most of their time in trees. They use their long arms to swing from branch to branch, and they build nests in the trees to sleep. Orangutans are intelligent and known to use tools. They create tools from branches and leaves to help them remove insects or get to hard-to-reach fruits. The letter P.
P for proboscis monkey. Proboscis monkeys are known for their large, distinctive noses, especially in males. Proboscis monkeys have pot bellies. This is because of their unique digestive system, which helps break down their leafy diet. Proboscis monkeys are excellent swimmers and are known to swim across rivers to search for food. They have partially webbed toes, which help them move through the water. Proboscis monkeys live in groups called troops. They work together to watch for predators and to find food.
The letter Q.
Q for Quetzal.
Quetzals are known for their stunning and vibrant feathers. Quetzals often make their nests in tree cavities, and the female lays 2 or 3 eggs. Both male and female care for the eggs in the nests. Quetzals mainly eat fruits, especially avocados. They help in spreading seeds as they eat fruits. Even though they have bright colors, Quetzals can be hard to spot in the wild due to their elusive behavior and the thick vegetation of their habitats. R.
R for Ruffed Lemur. Ruffed lemurs are named for the tufts of fur or ruffs around their faces. Ruffed lemurs are known for their distinctive and loud voices. They communicate with each other using a variety of calls, including grunts, whines, and howls. Ruffed lemurs are mainly herbivores and have a special diet that includes leaves, fruits, flowers, and nectar. Ruffed lemurs spend most of their time in trees. They are agile climbers and use their strong back legs to leap from branch to branch.
S.
S for sun bear.
Sun bears are the smallest bears in the bear family. Despite their small size, they are known for their strength and flexibility. Sun bears have a special marking on their chests that is shaped like a horseshoe. This marking is often different for each bear, similar to a fingerprint. Sun bears are found in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. They are excellent climbers and spend a lot of time in trees. Sun bears have long, curved claws that they use for climbing, digging, and tearing apart tree bark in search of insects. They also have a keen sense of smell, helping them find food. The letter T.
T for tapir. Tapirs have a distinctive snout, which is like a flexible nose and upper lip combined. They use this unique snout to grab and eat food. Tapirs are herbivores, meaning they eat plants. Their diet includes leaves, fruits, and aquatic plants. This mixed diet helps them adapt to different environments. Tapirs are excellent swimmers and enjoy spending time in the water. They use their swimming skills to escape from predators, cool off, and find food. Tapirs are generally solitary animals and are known for their shy and elusive nature. They prefer a solitary lifestyle, although you might find mothers with their young.
The letter U.
U for Uuakari.
Uuakaris have a nearly bald face that is bright red, giving them a special and striking look. While the face is red, the rest of the Uuakari's fur can vary in color, including white, pink, or brown. The combination of the colorful face and fur makes them stand out in the rainforest. Uuakaris are social monkeys and live in groups or troops in the rainforests of South America. They work together to find food, care for each other, and watch for predators. Uuakaris primarily eat fruits, seeds, and flowers, but they also consume leaves and insects. The letter V.
V for Vicuna. Vicunas are part of the camelid family, which also includes alpacas and llamas. They are wild relatives of these domesticated animals. Vicunas have slender bodies and long necks, making them graceful and agile. They are well adapted to life in the high altitude regions of the Andes Mountains. Vicunas produce one of the finest and most expensive wools in the world. Their wool is incredibly soft, lightweight, and highly prized for making luxurious textiles. Vicunas were once endangered due to hunting for their valuable wool. However, successful conservation efforts have helped increase their populations, and they are now protected in many areas.
W.
W for Wisent.
Wisents are the largest land animals in Europe. They are often referred to as European bison and have a powerful appearance with their large humped shoulders. Wisents were once widespread across Europe, but their population declined drastically. Conservation efforts, including breeding programs and habitat protection, have helped increase their numbers in recent years. Wisents are herbivores and mainly graze on grasses. Wisents live in social groups commonly known as herds. These herds are usually led by a dominant female, and males may join during the breeding season. X.
X for Xenopoecilus or Saracen's minnow. Saracen's minnows are also known as the red line torpedo barb. They have striking red markings along their bodies, which make them stand out in the water. Saracen's minnows are generally peaceful and social fish. They prefer being in groups and enjoy interacting with other fish. Saracen's minnows are omnivores. In the wild, they feed on small insects, algae, and other small aquatic creatures.
The letter Y.
Y for yak.
Yaks are native to the Himalayan region of Asia, where they are well adapted to the high altitude environments. Yaks have thick, long fur that helps them withstand cold temperatures in the high mountain regions. Their fur comes in different colors, including black, brown, and white. Yaks have a hump on their back similar to camels. This hump is not for storing water, but rather for storing fat, which they can use as energy during harsh conditions. Yaks are domesticated animals and play a crucial role in the daily lives of people in the Himalayan region. They are used for transportation, carrying goods, and providing milk, meat, and fibers for clothing. The letter Z.
Z for Grevy's zebra. Grevy's zebras are the largest of all zebra species. They have a distinctive appearance with narrow, closely spaced black stripes on a white background. Grevy's zebras are known for their large, round ears, which distinguish them from other zebra species. Their mule-like appearance includes a thick neck and a short, erect mane. Grevy's zebras are adapted to live in semi-arid and arid grasslands and are found in parts of Kenya and Ethiopia where water can be scarce. Grevy's zebras are social animals and often form small family groups. However, compared to other zebras, they are less likely to form large herds.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.